She would be a student. Wouldn't be.
She would not be.
She would not be
A student. She wouldn't be.
Wouldn't be a student. Wouldn't she?
Would she not be
Would she not be
a
a
student?
student?
Wouldn't
Wouldn't she
be.
not?
Wouldn't she be a student? Karena wouldn't kan sama dibanding dengan not-nya digabung. Wouldn't she be?
Wouldn't she be a student?
Oke. Lanjut.
It would. He would be a student.
It would be.
It would be a student.
Ya, cocok. Would it be?
Would it be a student? It would not be a student. It wouldn't not.
Nggak usah not lagi. Wouldn't itu ada not-nya.
It wouldn't be a student.
Nah.
Would it not be a student? Wouldn't it be a student?
I have. Kenapa ada I has? I have. Ketemunya be pertiganya be apa? Ya, I have been.
I had been.
Present perfect ya. Bilang gitu dulu, present perfect.
Present perfect.
I have been.
I had been.
Have, bukan had. Verb 1. Karena present itu toh. I have been.
I have been a student. Have I been a student? I have not been a student.
Kenapa na be? I have not been.
I have not been a student. I haven't.
Ya.
I haven't been.
Been, jangan be.
Been a student.
Have I not?
Have I not been a student?
Okay.
Haven't I been a student?
Okay.
You have. You have not.
Positif dulu.
You have been a student. Have you been a student? You have not been a student. You haven't been a student. Have you not been a student? Haven't you been a student? We have been.
We have been students ya, jamak jadinya.
We have been students. Have we been students? We have not been students. We haven't been students. Have we been? Have we been?
Have we not?
Have we not been
Students.
Or haven't we been students?
Okay.
They have been a student.
They itu mereka, masa jadi seorang pelajar harus jadi jamak toh?
They have been students. Have they been students? They have not been students. They haven't been students. Have they not been students? Haven't they been students?
Oke. Sabar dulu. Renal and siapa namanya nih? Ken. Renal and Ken. Ken ini kah? Kenichi. Oh, Ken ini. Renal and Kenichi have been students.
Renal and Kenichi have
been students. Okay.
Have Renal and Kenichi been students? Renal and Kenichi have not been students. Renal and Kenichi haven't been students.
Ya.
Have Renal and Kenichi not been students? Haven't Renal and Kenichi been students?
Oke, good. Nama orang lagi. Kenichi is a student. Jadinya apa sih nih? Present perfect?
Kenichi have.
Has lah. Kalau tunggal dia has di situ.
Kenichi has been a student.
Ya.
Has Kenichi been a student?
Ya.
Kenichi has not been a student. Kenichi hasn't been a student. Has Kenichi not been a student? Hasn't Kenichi been a student?
Oke. Renal Kenichi kan kata gantinya menjadi he. Jadinya apa? He is a student jadinya?
He has. He has been a student. Has he been a student? He has not been a student. He hasn't been a student.
Ya.
Has he not been a student? Hasn't he been a student?
Oke. Nama perempuan lagi? Satu orang. Anita mo. Anita is a student jadinya?
She.
Anita aja disebut dulu. Anita.
Anita has been a student.
Ya.
Has Anita been a student? Anita has not been a student. Anita hasn't been a student. Has Anita not been a student? Hasn't Anita
Anita menjadi kata gantinya Anita apa?
She.
She. Oke.
She has been a student? Has she been a student? She has not been a student. She hasn't been a student. Has she been? Has she not been a student? Hasn't she been a student?
Seekor kucing adalah seekor hewan. A cat is an animal. Jadinya apa di situ present perfect? A cat
A cat
has been
has been
an
an
animal.
animal.
Oke.
A cat has been an animal.
Oke.
Has a cat been an animal?
Oke.
A cat has not been an animal, or a cat hasn't been an animal. Has a cat not been an animal, or hasn't a cat been an animal?
Ayo, kata gantinya cat apa?
It.
It.
It has been a cat
Mm-mm.
and an animal.
It has been an animal.
It has been an animal. Has it been an animal? It has not been an animal, or it hasn't been an animal. Has it not been an animal, or hasn't it been an animal?
Oke. Past perfect. Past perfect apa sih itu?
Have
Kemudian?
sama been.
Oke.
I have been a student. Had I been a student? I had not been a student. Adakah hadn't?
Or I hadn't.
I hadn't been a student. Had I not been a student? Hadn't I been a student?
You. You yang tunggal saja toh? You bermakna kamu. Kalau you kan bisa bermakna kalian toh? Jadi a studentmu juga.
you had been a student? Had you been a student? You had not been a student. You hadn't been a student. Had you not been a student? Hadn't you been a student?
Oke.
We
Yay.
had not been a student.
Apa?
We had been a student.
Students.
Students. Had we been students? We had not been students. We hadn't been students.
Udah 20 dia itu.
Had we not been students? Hadn't we been students? They had been students. Had they been students? They had not been students. They hadn't been students. Had they not been students? Hadn't they
Sini makanya mau
been
pulang belajar
students?
mau. Kasih tinggal di sini, jangan pulang. Belajar nih. Allah.
He had been students, but had he been students? He had not been students. Student. He hadn't been a student.
Nah,
Had he not been a student? Hadn't he been a student?
oke sekarang pakai ganti nama orang setelah itu.
Setelah hi,
Ya, setelah hi kan siapa nama orang yang kau cari? Kenichi mau. Kenichi.
untuk nama laki-laki,
Iya.
Anto.
Anto boleh.
Anto had been a student. Had Anto been a student? Anto had not been a student. Anto hadn't been a student. Had Anto not been a student? Hadn't Anto been students?
Oke.
Student. Lanjut sih.
Ya, cari nama cewek.
Rosa. Rosa.
Ya, Rosa.
Rosa had been a student. Had Rosa been a student? Rosa had not been a student. Rosa hadn't been a student. Had Rosa not been a student? Hadn't Rosa been a student? She had been a student. Had she been a student? She had not been a student. She hadn't been a student. Had she not been a student? Hadn't she been a student?
Oke.
A cat had been an animal. Had a cat been an animal? Cat had not been an animal. A cat hadn't been an animal.
Oke.
Had a cat not been an animal? Hadn't a cat been an animal?
It jadi ada.
It had been an animal. Had it been an animal? It had
it had
not been an animal. It hadn't been an animal. Had it not been an animal? Hadn't it been an animal? Future
Future.
perfect. I will have kira.
I will have been.
I will have
Been
been
and a student.
a student. Will I have been a student? I will have not been a student. Will I not have been a student?
Hmm.
You will have been a student. Will you have been a student? You will have not been a
You
student.
will not. You will not have been a student.
You will not have been a student,
Or
or
You
you
won't.
won't have been a student.
yeah.
Will you not have been a student, or won't you have been a student?
Okay.
We have you we will have been a student. We will have
Will we? We will. Oh, we will have been. Tanya lagi. Will we have been?
Ada salah, Mister.
Ulangi dulu pada.
We will have been students.
Ya.
Will we have been students? We will not be have.
Nah, lah. We will not have.
We will not have been a student.
Students.
Students, or we won't have been students. Will we not have been students? Won't we have been
When
students?
we have. Ya, cocok nih.
They will have been students. Will they have been students? They will not have been students. They won't be. They won't.
They will not
have.
dulu.
Suruh terus.
Oh, they won't have.
They won't have been students. Will they not have been students? Won't they
Pakai T,
have-
won't.
Won't they have been students?
Oke.
He will
They
have.
dulu.
Hah?
We sudah, they sudah ya?
They sudah.
Ya, he.
He will have been a student. Will he have been a student? He will not have been a student. He won't have been a student. Will he not have been a student?
A student.
Won't he have been a student? She
Nah, nama orang dulu, nama laki-laki.
Yanto. Yanto will have been a student. Will Anto have been
Will Anto have.
Will Anto have been a student? Anto will not have been a student. Anto we won't have been a student. Will Anto not be have
Ini
been?
salah aku lagi. Yang itu bang.
Hah?
Will Anto cocok minta deh. Will Anto.
Will Anto not have been a student. Won't Anto have been a student? She will have been a student. Will she have been a student? She will not have been a student. She won't be. She won't be. She won't
gonna be.
have been a student.
Nah.
Will she not been? She
Will she
will
not have?
she not have been a student? Won't she have been a student?
Ya. A horse is an animal. Coba lagi.
Nama perempuan Mister dulu.
Hah?
Nama perempuan.
Nama perempuan. Sembarang mau itu becek kah apakah nama teman kelas banyak nanya nama perempuan. Nah, saya kasih ke nama Farah langsung nih.
Farah we have been a student. Will Farah have been a student? Farah will not have been a student. Farah won't have been a student. Will Farah not have been a student? Won't Farah have been a student?
Ya. A dog is an animal.
A dog will have been an animal. Will a dog have been an animal? A dog will not have been an animal. A dog won't have been an animal. Will a dog not have been an animal? Won't a dog have been an animal?
Ya, it is an animal.
It will have been an animal. Will it have been an animal? It will not have been an animal. It won't be an animal. Will it not have been an animal? Won't it have been an animal?
Bagus, future perfect. Past
Past
future perfect.
future perfect.
Past future perfect.
Pakai has.
Dulu I will have dulu semua nggak ada nih has di situ. Karena will wajib ketemu verb satu, verb satunya have. Oke, lanjut.
I would have been a student. Would I have been a student? I would not have been a student. I wouldn't have been a student. Would I not have been a student? Wouldn't I have been a student? You would have been a student. Would you have been a student? You would not have been a student. You wouldn't have been a student. Would you not have been a student? Wouldn't you have been a student? We would have been students. Would we have been students? We would not have been students. We wouldn't have been students. Would we not have been student? Wouldn't we have been students?
Oke, lanjut.
They would have been student.
Kenapa nak lagi?
They would have been students.
Ya.
Would they have been students? They would not have been students. They wouldn't have been students. Would they not have been students? Wouldn't they have been students? He would have been student. Would he have been student? He would not have been student. He wouldn't have been a student. Would he not have been a student? Wouldn't he have been a student?
Nama laki-laki.
Jamal would have been a student. Would Jamal have been a student? Jamal would not have been a student. Jamal wouldn't have been a student. Would Jamal not have been a student? Wouldn't Jamal have been a student? She would have been a student. Would she have been a student? She would not have been a student. She wouldn't have not. She wouldn't have not. She wouldn't have been a student. Wouldn't she not have been a student? Wouldn't she have been a student? Dharma would have been a student. Would Dharma have been a student? Dharma would not have been a student. Dharma wouldn't have been a student. Would Dharma not have been a student? Wouldn't Dharma have been a student? A worm would have been an insect. A rat would have been an animal. Would a rat have been an animal? A rat would not have been an animal. A rat wouldn't have been an animal. Would a rat not have been an animal? Wouldn't a rat have been an animal? It would have been a student. It would have been an animal. Would it have been an animal? It would not have been an animal. It wouldn't have been an animal. Would it not have been an animal? Wouldn't it have been an animal? Sorry, mister. Mister?
Ya, Mi?
Ya, mister.
Simple present lagi sampai simple future. Ulangi. Hai.
Simple present sampai
Simple future.
simple future. Yang nominal aja, mister, toh?
Iya, I'm a student, Ji.
I am a student. Am I a student? I am not a student. Am I not a student?
You.
You are a student. Are you a student? You aren't a student. Are you not a student? Aren't you a student?
Lanjut.
We
They.
are students.
Ya, boleh.
Are we students? We aren't students. Aren't we students? Are we not students?
Ya.
They are students. Are they students? They aren't students. Aren't they students? Are they not students? He is a student. Is he a student? He isn't a student. Is he not a student? Isn't he a student?
Nama orang. Jamal mau susah sekali. Jamal is a student.
Yeah. Jamal is a student. Is Jamal a student? Jamal isn't a student. Isn't Jamal a student? Is Jamal not a student? She is a student. Is she a student? She isn't a student. Isn't she a student? Is she not a student?
It is a book.
It is a book. It is a book. Is it a book? It isn't a book. Isn't it a book? Is it not a book?
Simple past.
I was a student. Was I a student? I wasn't a student. Wasn't I a student? Was I not a student?
Iya, tahu. Lanjut.
You were a student. Were you a student? You weren't a student. Were you not a student? Weren't you a student?
Ya.
We were students. Were we students? We weren't students. Weren't we students? Were we not students? They were students. Were they students? They weren't students. Weren't they students? Were they not students? He was a student. Was he a student? He wasn't a student. Wasn't he a student? Was he not a student? Jamal was a student. Was Jamal a student? Jamal wasn't a student. Wasn't Jamal a student? Was Jamal not a student? She was a student. Was she a student? She wasn't a student. Wasn't she a student? Was she not a student? It is a. It was a book. Was it a book? It wasn't a book. Wasn't it a book? Was it not a book? Simple future. I will be a student. Will I be a student? I won't be a student.
I will not.
I will not be a student. Will I not be a student? Won't I be a student? You will be a student. Will you be a student? You will not be a student. You won't be a student. Won't you be a student? Will you not be a student?
Apa mau?
I Tuh. We will be a student. Will
Kau
we
mau
a
aku pulang
student?
yuk? Baik. Mau ke wawancara dulu kau. Sudah, Mi?
Kurir, kurir. Kira satu lampu. Sampai
It, It will be a book. Will it be a book? It will be.
Will it not be? Will it be a book? It will not be a book. It won't be a book.
It will be a book. Will it be a book? It will not be a book. It won't be a book. Won't it
Will
be
it
a
be
book?
not?
Will it not be a book?
Won't it be?
Won't it be a book?
Ya. Paham ako?
Yes, sir.
Okay, thank you. Amang Mito,
Yeah.
latihan ko minta soal sama Mr. Anca dilatih-latih.